ladies, I'm Brooke, and today I have the Penny 2 from Sam Edelman. This gorgeous pair is amazing and has a sleek upper with a clean toe and some distressing here at the toe and heel for a nice worn look. The material is super soft against the skin. I love the ear pull on the outstep, and there's also a little bit of goring here along the instep as well to move with you with every step you take. At the back, you'll find that it does have a snap closure that locks up this full-length zipper. Now this is going to open to help you get these on and off with ease, and has an incredible lining that is so very soft to the touch. Now this is a pretty lightweight boot with some amazing flexibility, a lovely block heel for a stable boost in height, and lots of texture here on the outsole. If you're looking for a beautiful pair of riders, then pick up this gorgeous one. They're from Sam Edelman.